How to use ChatGPT for sales. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use ChatGPT for your sales. So there are numerous ways you can use ChatGPT in your sales as a company. So you can use it to write a social media post, campaign content that suits your campaign demand in your company. So as you can see that I've already given a prompt to ChatGPT to write a social media post campaign content which suit my Facebook, Instagram and Twitter account on Women's Day. So as you can see that ChatGPT has written a beautiful content for my Instagram, Twitter and Facebook appropriate posts. You can also do that for your email marketing content that you want to send out. So as you can see that I have asked ChatGPT this prompt to write an email marketing emails to sell a product related to women health and on Women's Day. As you can see that ChatGPT has written this email for me, so I can go ahead and use this for my email marketing campaign. And you can also use it as a blog content writer for your website in detail. So in order to write unique content on ChatGPT, you have to be very smart while giving prompt to ChatGPT so that it will write unique content for you, specifically in your niche according to your demands. So as you can see that I've given ChatGPT's prompt to write blog content within 300 words on female healthcare products on Women's Day. So as you can see that it has written this beautiful blog for me. So this is how you can use ChatGPT for sales. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.